What's up guys, it's me Jimmy again. In previous video I talk about the low quality magnet which is causing some radiation. Yes, this part is radiation. Active live radiation from magnet is destroying the Apple Pencil by putting some black spot. So I bought a Apple cover, Apple Pencil cover from Amazon. Here we go. Let me show you 1 minute. Okay, here we go. I mean, the mistake I make when I bought the Apple Pencil, I should bought this one immediately. But I say, who really need a case to protect a pencil? Like, it look ridiculous. But I didn't know that the Apple quality is really very bad. Like recently, like my few last iPad have problem. The Apple Pencil and this magnet charging is like due to radiation damaging my Apple Pencil. It's like a radiation. Even I search on the internet, everyone agreed this is freaking radiation. Okay, how to fit this crap? Maybe I need to bring my Apple Pencil and ask them why the goodness of heaven I'm having radiation. I mean, it look like, I don't know. I don't want to say that word. It's very tight. I think my is really very thick. Yeah, it's very thick. I mean, my Apple Pencil is very thick. I don't know what you're thinking. Come on. Like, what is this? Okay, calm down, Jimmy. Be a good Jimmy. Be a good Jimmy. Okay, I have to do like this. Okay, it's going. I have to press from the front. Okay, going. Come on. Dude, come on. Come on. Like, it's really freaking me. Come on. Like, I mean, first my Apple Pencil is damaging. Like, it's not like a $10, $1 pencil. It's a $129 pencil. Thanks, Apple, for like putting low quality magnet. Come on. Okay. Okay, I have to put like this. I have to see the okay like this. Okay, come on. I have to press and then there's some air go. Come on. Little bit left, a little bit, please. Come on. Come on. Come on, gravity, help me. Okay. Like, it's really making me mad. Now it's stuck. Come on. Come on. So only this amount left. Okay, I can do it. Come on, you. Come on. Anyway, I'm tired. I don't know what to say. It's a very low quality. I mean, I think so. This solution not bad. Good. Subscribe and bye.